Ever had a sneeze attack at the worst moment? These tricks will save you from awkward moments. Trick number 1, tickle the roof of your mouth. Use your tongue for 10 seconds. It works. Trick number 2, pinch your nose and exhale slowly. Trick your brain into canceling the sneeze. Trick number 3, rub your earlobes. Sounds weird, but trust me, it's magic. Trick number 4, stare at a bright light. Confuse your senses and stop that sneeze in its tracks. Trick number 5, press your upper lip. Push your finger just below your nose. Boom, sneeze gone. Sounds odd, but it distracts your brain. Which trick worked for you? Drop in the comments and subscribe for more mind-blowing life hacks.